I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready. Assigned in Google account and location enabled. First, open device settings and switch location to high accuracy so your device uses GPS, Wi-Fi, and mobile networks. Once done, go to Google settings, tap location, then location history and activity controls to allow data collection. Make sure you enable the specific device under your devices so Google links the timelines. This is the foundational step, because without account linkage and high accuracy, subsequent tracking and timeline details will be incomplete. Now refine how Google collects and stores location. Enable both location history and web and app activity to let Google combine device signals with account activity. This yields a comprehensive timeline. Next, grant the Google app background location permission so tracking continues when the app isn't active. Then open Maps timeline to verify recorded stops and routes. Use the date picker. Finally, set auto-delete intervals if you want retention limits. These steps ensure continuous, accurate history while giving you control over how long data persists. To finish, regularly inspect your timeline in Google Maps to confirm locations and edit or delete incorrect entries. If you need an offline copy, export location history using Google Takeout and choose JSON or KML for mapping. Make sure to turn off battery optimizations for Google Apps to avoid intermittent tracking pauses. If things go wrong, first verify app permissions and background access, then confirm GPS and network connectivity. Restarting the device often clears sensor glitches. These final checks keep your location tracking reliable and under your control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.